dear students. Today in this part of our video, Geography Chapter 1, Resources and Development, we will discuss about causes of land degradation and conservation measures. That how to conserve that particular land. In the previous video, we discussed causes of land degradation. Let us revise those causes, that is mining. So improper method of mining also degraded land. How? That in the areas of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, MP, in the states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh, so they abandoned mining sites after excavation. What is excavation, dear student? Excavation, it means digging the crust of the earth and taking minerals out. अर्थ का क्रस्ट खुदवाई करना और उसमें से मिनरल्स बाहर निकालना, दैट इज एक्सकेवेशन. सो एक्सकेवेशन के बाद वो जो सॉइल है वो लूज हो जाती है एंड दैट लैंड इज केप्ट अबंडन एज इट इज. उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाता है एंड इट कॉजेस लैंड डिग्रेडेशन. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट. सेकंड, ओवरग्रेजिंग. As pasture grounds and grazing grounds are minimized, they are limited one, that same land is utilized again and again for grazing cattle or livestock. Livestock और cattle grazing के लिए वो same land again and again use होने की वजह से land degradation हुआ है in the states like Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Here over irrigation. Over irrigation is also one of the problem which causes land degradation. कैसे? In the states like Punjab and Haryana, what is the problem? That continuously they are irrigating that land to take crops one after another, and as a result salinity of that land is increased. और जब salinity increase होती है तो वो land degrade होती है. Absorbing capacity, carrying capacity land की खत्म होती है. Quality of the land get destroyed. Now, mineral processing industries. Some of the mineral processing industries like cement industry, ceramic industry, these industries also causes land degradation. When these industries, they release a lot of dust in atmosphere, at that time that dust is settled on water bodies, that causes water pollution. Means because of that infiltration of oxygen into water bodies, that is retarded, वो कम हो जाता है and as a result aquatic animals suffer from that less oxygen level. Some of the animals die. So this is about water pollution, but let us see about land degradation. So when those fine particles of cement industry and ceramic industries settled on ground, at that time they retards infiltration of water. Infiltration of water मतलब पानी को नीचे फिल्टर नहीं होने देते and as a result that land became arid, वो ड्राई होती जाती है. Now industrial effluent, some of the industrialists they release those effluents on land without processing. उनको बिना प्रोसेस किए जमीन पर छोड़ दिया जाता है and as a result chemicals which are present in these industrial effluents they degraded land. Now let us see measures for land conservation. Land conservation हम कैसे करेंगे? So generally question is asked for 5 marks in board exams regarding land degradation, causes of land degradation and conservation measures. So first conservation measure is afforestation. What is afforestation? It means that to plant more and more trees so that land will not get degraded. You can say that roots of the trees they hold soil and as a result even it will not cause soil erosion, which is eroding very fast nowadays due to human activities. So afforestation that will lead to pure air and at the same time it will hold soil and again it will maintain quality of land. Second, planting shelter belts. In some of the area due to air, due to wind, some of the land is degraded. So if we plant shelter belt, it means planting rows of trees. ट्रीज की रोज प्लांट करना. इससे क्या होगा कि शेल्टर बेल्ट ये बनेगा तो जब भी विंड आएगी सो दैट स्पीड गेट स्लोअर. सो विंड का स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगा एंड एज ए रिजल्ट दैट लैंड विल नॉट गेट डिग्रेडेड. Then control on overgrazing. In the states where overgrazing is responsible for land degradation, so that can be controlled by taking appropriate measures. Proper management of wasteland. So much wasteland is there, that 130 million hectare. So if that wasteland is managed properly, so that land become productive. And proper mining activities, that mining that should be controlled, that mining sites should not left abandoned after excavating, so they should be properly managed. And apart from that, problem of industrial effluent should be treated before releasing in water bodies and on ground, and so that it will not cause any kind of harm to our land, and that land can be used by us again to generation to generation.